And we start off, just like tell me, like your name, your grad year, the city, town, and state where you're coming from. It's like a quick introduction.
I'm Noah. I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee, and I am a 2026.
Got almost everything packed. Time for the bag. Oh wait, hold on, almost forgot. Gotta have the face-off factory stuff. Can't leave this behind. We head up to Maryland, all the way down here from Knoxville, Tennessee. All right, so we just arrived in Maryland. About 45 minutes left.
It was an 8-hour drive. We hit construction for a while, but it was a pretty smooth ride overall.
This is my mom, who's going to keep her eyes on the road so we don't die. But shout out to my brother for always tagging along. Say hi, Mason.
Well, I was expecting to get an overall good experience as I did last year. The professional training from the best in the world, just an overall great experience.
Hands down on my quads again. Same thing, leaning up.
The ability to just, work with some of the best people in this position in the entire world. That's always been a big selling point of the Face-Off Factory.
Try to go a little further each breath. Begin.
I hope to be able to improve as much as I can in my form and possibly with my speed. Face-Off Factory is special to me because, in my opinion, it's got the best staff, training, all that stuff in the world when it comes to face-off.
Now he thinks I can maybe get it right again. He didn't get back to the basics and just do his role. He was trying to maybe push it, got a little too greedy there. That's all right. He's still a great face-off guy, but it's good to know what he did wrong sometimes so he can fix it.
We were talking about this earlier. Both my feet are behind the line, and I didn't break the line at all. It shows right here, like the next level guys will just peel you right off of it. You're not gonna have any power just standing still.
You guys watch when we were in film sessions, all the best players, they're getting tough ground balls, they're handling pressure, they're making tough passes, they're scoring fast break goals, and they're making tough plays. That doesn't come from just being really good at clamping. So you have to be a complete lacrosse player. And how do you become a complete lacrosse player? You put the work in.
Well, day one corrected a lot of my form, and it just made a lot of things I was unclear about much easier to understand. Last year I did nowhere near as good as I did this year, so that just goes to show that the Face-Off Factory has helped me grow a lot when it comes to the face-off. It definitely lived up to what people said it was, so thank you.
Dominate! Good work, boys. Nice job. Nice job, man.